Hello, everybody. Again, this is Irving Croxon bringing you our favorite training, 6-day video and 6-day training on how to really grow your business on autopilot, get more signups, more traffic, more leads, and more sales. And we're just going to dive into this. And in this third video, we're going to talk about funnels. What is a funnel? And what would the funnel do for you? This is going to be about a 6 or 7 minute, maybe 8 minutes of a video, because I'm going to cover quite a bit of stuff in here. And it's going to be step by step and make it very easy for you to duplicate this with your team members and get yourself up and running. I'm also going to show you the resources that I'm using that's absolutely free to get this funnel they call up and running. And a funnel is basically an autoresponder with emails that goes out. And when we talked about the magnet on video 2, where you create that magnet, they put their name and they put their email in there. That's the first part of the funnel of an email drip. So again, I'm going to go into a little bit to show you how I created and did a simplified, duplicatable, absolutely free funnel that you can follow me and get the same thing I'm doing and set yourself up to win in your business. First thing I want to go and show you, one of the tools I'm using is called 12secondcommute.com. I'm going to leave a description. I'm going to leave a link underneath this video when I finish. It's absolutely free, but you have to have someone that's a part of it in order to get it for free. So I'll leave my link there. Click on it, sign for free. Costs you no money. And only time it costs money, like anything else, if you've got a few thousand leads and you want to maintain those leads. But starting off as a new person, you want to do absolutely free. You're allowed up to like a 200, I believe it is, 100 to 200 free leads. And that's going to be enough for you to start and to drip. So basically, what 12-second commute is, sorry, it has everything in here with value. It has email, lead generation, landing pages. I mean, you have ad tracker and many other things, videos, and they have step-by-step training videos also that you can use for all the other services that they got. It's absolutely free. Anyways, let me log in to my 12-second commute, and this is the funnel, how I set up my simplified, duplicatable funnel that I give my team, and that you can do the same thing. And this is very easy to use. And again, I'm just going to go over setting up the funnel, how quick it is. So the first thing you want to do is click on services up here. And the first one you want to go to is autoresponder as a free member. Just click on autoresponder. And we're just going to go step by step here. And I already got things set up. And this is going to show up here. So only thing you're going to do is click on create a new mailing list. Okay. So I'm going to do it from scratch, people, slowly over the shoulder, so you can set up your funnel and get your business. So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to call this Payquick. I'm just going to call it Payquick. Pay-A-Y. I'm just going to call it Payquick to show you. All I'm doing here is creating a name of a list, because you have to have a list in order to make your autoresponder in your emails. The unique name, I'm going to put the same thing, Payquick. I'm going to put that together because you have to have the unique name, had no spaces. Then the email you want people to go to. So I'm just going to put an email here, my name, and in the signature, you're going to put your name, or you can put your Facebook or Twitter or whatever you have. And all you can do, in a little description if you want, but I don't put description because ladders is going to go out. So I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to have a list done up. That's the first step of creating your simplified, duplicatable funnel. The list is done. So now I'm going to click back on again, autoresponder, main page list. Ladies and gentlemen, watch this. This is so easy to do. All the other service you have in there, you don't worry about that now. But next step I'm going to do is going to click on new autoresponder message. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to show you how this is so simplified. And it says select a list. So I'm going to click over here and look for Pay Quicker that I just made, the list. I got all kinds of lists in here, okay? So I'm going to go down here, look for Pay Quicker. Let me see here, right here, Pay Quicker. And it says select a format. What I do is I take both text and HTML, just in case. Then it says the subject line. So I'm going to go back to the emails. I'm going to show you. I did 8 emails, and I will help you with your emails, help you put together emails. And I'm just going to put this title. Very simple. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to put the title in here. Very simple. So now this is the body. Very easy, just like you have a letter or anything else. I'm going to go back and take the rest of my letter to here. I'm going to copy this and go back to 12. And then I'm going to just paste that in there. And the letter is pasted in there. Let me see, did I get it all in there? This is in my way. Put it over here for a minute. So let me see. Did I get the whole letter? Let me go back. I think I didn't get the whole letter. 1 second. So again, it's just basically putting a letter in there. And that was that was the letter. I'm just going to take it again. Okay, there it is. So again, I'm just going to put that there, copy that. Now it says to get your clicks, I can just take a video, just as a temporary video for now, just to show you what it is. I'm just going to put the video here. Put the video here. You can put call to action. You can send them to your business opportunity. You can send them to an offer that you're selling, weight loss, vitamin pills, or your business, home-based business, or network marketing opportunity. You can direct them anywhere you want in your letters. So I'll go down here and press OK. Down here is called the autoresponder body message. Don't get too caught up on this. The only thing I do, it just says the name of the mailing list, the signature. If people want to unsubscribe, you have to have that, email address, and their first name. So I take insert the first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not complicated. The PLR, I will get into another training on this. It's very easy, but these are the variables. So I'm just going to take the first 5 at the top, 3, 4, 5. So you see now I have it in here. What I do is I take this here, the first name, this little code, and I go back into my first letter, and I will put that in here. So when the letter comes out, it's going to say the person's name that opts in to your magnet. Okay, so we got that. All this stuff, this here, you don't have to worry about. It says day number. If you want the first email to go out as soon as they put their name and email in, so put 0. Then I always click on this here, and if the autoresponder is already blah, 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 I always click on that. It's a save as draft. No, click on the little arrow, bring it down to ready for delivery. Then all I'm going to do is submit. That's how easy it is. It would cost you no money. Your funnel is being set up with your magnet. And in the next video, we're going to go into getting free leads and traffic to your magnet, to your one pager that you're making to really get your business up and running on the autopilot. So now we get all that done. The third step we're going to do, we go back to the main autoresponder main page list. Always go back to there. And now what we're going to do is come down here and click on generate form code. So I'm going to click on that. Generate new form code. And I'm going to show what the form code looks like. So it's going to say to me, generate form code, select a list. As always, selecting a list. I go over here, ladies and gentlemen, click on it, and I'm going to look for that pay quicker. That's it. That's the list I'm making. Continue. This is very, very powerful when you understand what I'm going to show you, what you can do with this. Oh my God. So we're going to call this a name. We're just going to say pay quicker. PAYQUICKER. Just keep it like that. You can put any message you want in there. It says email is mandatory. The first name, I put mandatory. Now, if you want their last name, all this stuff, phone numbers, IP address, you can put that. But I encourage you, don't do that. A name and email is enough that you want. Anything else besides that, and plus their phone numbers, people will not opt in. Opt in means put their name and their email into the description. They may not do that, okay? So let's go down here. All this done, and then it says create a button. So I'm going to just create, I like the green button. You can put this color, as long as you put your little box there, click into it, it'll show up. Now it says all these different things. When somebody sees your opt-in box, what do you want to say? You can say something like anything you want. Fire your boss in 60 days. Or if you want to create your own. If you don't want to create your own, it's very easy to do in here. Get started now. I just click on that. Get started now. You can use any one of these. Subscribe, yes, blah, 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 whatever you want. And then you just click on generate HTML form code. Now, watch what's going to happen. Very simple. You're going to have a form code's going to come up. And I just want to show you how this really works as setting up your funnel and how you can make your funnel sell for you, recruit for you, sign new people up in your business opportunity or whatever you're doing. So I'm going to go back to, let me go back here. Let's go, no. I'm going to go back to the blog that I call the blog that we made. So you can see it in live over my shoulder. Let me go to blogs. I have so many blogs that I created for training purposes, and also I use it for my business opportunity. So I'm going to go back to this one here. Just use this blog now. The $1. Let me go here. Let me go here. The $1. I'll go up here. And again, once you get your form code, so now if I want to create a page, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to create a simple page inside of my blog, or what we call a mini blog or a little website, my one pager. So up here you have 3 dots at the top of the page. So I'm just going to move this out the way again. So I'm going to go back here and show you what I mean. I have Visual Editor. So if I put Visual Editor, you will not see the form code. So up here in the 3 little dots, I click on that. I go to Code Editor, click on that, and then I can paste that 12-second commute code right in there. And then I want to look at it and go back to Visual Editor. And there's the form code. So I'm just going to put something there. I'm going to put a little image there. How's that? Just give you an idea. You can add an image to it. You can put your funnel image into it. I'm just going to put that in there for now. And I'm going to just say test. So you all can see this. So that's the little form code with a little image. That looks good, doesn't it? So now I'm going to go back. Always go back to HTML, wherever you have the form code. Then I'm going to publish that so you guys can see this. I'm going to publish it. And then I'm going to go back to my email and show you how the first setup of the funnel that works. I'm going to view this page. I hope you get value out of this simple, free tool that's going to help you set up your funnel that looks like this without opt-in form with your capture page up here. You see your capture page, and your funnel and magnet is working now. So now they're asking me for email. I'm going to put my email in there and my first name. That's it. And the people that sees this and what you're giving away for free as your magnet is unbelievable. Second thing is going to happen as they put their name and email in it. It's going to take them back to, it tells me that this person, Irving, had joined my Pay Quicker email. Okay. And again, everybody's going to see this. If they sign up to it for free or if they become a paid member, you still make $10 per month from each person. Also in the back end that you can make money for. So I just wanted to let you know that. So now I'm going to go to my email where I put my email, my name and email in for that report to see what it's about. So it's telling me, let me go here. Look at that, Pay Quicker. That's the email. It says, please confirm. So I'm going to go here. You want them, this is called double opt-in for compliance with the government. Everyone has to have this format. So the company does it. You don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to confirm to say, I do want to get an email or information from them. So now, ladies and gentlemen, they are on my list forever until they want to unsubscribe. So now let me go back and show you what happened. So I did that. I said, yes, I want it confirmed. And let me go back here. Let it come here. Slow. There it is. Thank you for joining Pay Quicker. You see the power of, as people put their name and email in. Now, as you set up more letters, 1 letter, 2 letters. I put 7 letters in, 1 for every day. You can spread out to 1 every second day. So I go click on this, and there it is. It's telling me if this was a different person, I got their email and their name. That's all I want. So again, I'll wait a second, and then the letter that I put in there is going to come out to them, and they be able to, and I'll be able to see the letter. So let me go over here because I already confirmed it. It takes a few seconds for the letter to come out. So don't get alarmed. People that opt into your email capture page or your magnet will take a minute before they get the main letter or your offer that you are promoting. So it didn't come yet. It'll come. And this is the power of setting it up so you don't have to chase people at all to sell them anything or promote your business opportunity or nothing like that. Okay. So I'm just going to put that. It's going to come. We'll come back to that. So I just want to just move on because it gives you an idea how this works. And I'll do more training on this. So if I go back to my 12 seconds, I'm going to log in. I'm going to finish up with this here. This is powerful. Powerful, 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 powerful. Come on, log in now. Because I have one there, that's why. And this one's here. Take that out. So now I'm going to go back to my autoresponder. I always go back to the autoresponder. And that's where the main stuff is always going to be at. So now just say if I have 20 people a day, 30 people a day, or in a month, doesn't matter. But I want to be able to contact them, tell them about a webinar that I'm doing of my business opportunity, or tell them about a new offer I have. I'm not going to chase these people down to send them. So what you can do inside of the system that's free, a new broadcast. You can draft it, send a new broadcast. So what you do is you will create a draft first, then you come back and you send a broadcast. A broadcast means everyone on that list that you just created, you can send them a letter ASAP. So I'm going to take this here. Let me see. Don't use a draft. No, I use a draft. I'll use this for now because I made a draft first. Continue. And I'm going to just show you what I mean. That I can broadcast to a great big list up to thousands in a second. So I can create a quick little message here saying thank you, whatever it may be, webinars coming up, and I can do the same thing and send a delivery ASAP to them. And we'll go into this training of sending, it says new broadcasts, view broadcast, send a broadcast. And this is so powerful. So if you have 100 people on your list in a day or a week or a month, can you imagine for absolutely free, send them a letter of explaining who you are or what business you're doing, or giving them away a free report or an ebook. This is the power of setting up your funnel with the capture page in the magnet and incorporating 6 or 7 or 8 emails that will drip out on them on a daily basis about your business opportunity. But here's the power, ladies and gentlemen, while you are sleeping. I can't wait until I get into the 4th video that we're going to talk about, is the sequence. That I'm showing you a little bit of the sequence now, but I really want to get into the sequence and the emails of how this works and create more leads and traffic with your magnet, with your funnel. This is a simplified, duplicatable funnel that you can give to brand new people that joins your business opportunity, that you'll be able to get them up and running. So now we're going to go into the sequence of just not the emails and what I just talked about, but how do we get traffic and how do we get leads to take a look at our capture page or our magnet on our one pager. And this is going to be the next video, the 4th video that we're going to be talking about, that's going to blow your mind. I can't wait for the number 4 video. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.